What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Ash and this is Kim. As you all know, I've been taking a step back from the videos and Kim has been the main person on the scene right about now. So with any track car, apart from the wheels and your setup, your main source of your power comes from your weight reduction, bro. It's all about that weight reduction. So first of all, if you've got anyone in passenger seat, you want to get rid of them.
You better get out.
But yeah, so weight reduction, bro. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stripping, well, I say everything out of the car, but we're going to be taking the glove compartment, the steering wheel will be coming out at some point, we've got another one for that, all the door cards, standard seats, carpets. I think the roof liner for the minute is staying, just for the simple fact of I'm still going to be running it about every couple of days, maybe daily.
You need a bit of cushioning for your head over them bumps.
Yeah, but it's more to the fact of I found in the Corsa when I fully stripped that out, when it started getting warm and cold, mainly when it was getting colder outside and I was having the heating on, I was getting condensation and shit running down my back, and it's not a nice feeling at like 6 o'clock in the morning. In winter, yeah, where it's like -1, 2. So yeah, we're going to be stripping this out. It's currently sat, I think these on curb weight as standard are just short of 1,700 kilogram. So yeah, the plan is we want to try get this as obviously as light as possible. So I'm hoping to try get this down to close to 1,100-1,200 kilograms, which is a big ask out of a car like this, but I've worked out with seats I'm gonna save probably about 30 kilograms with the other seats that are going in. It hasn't got the full standard exhaust system, so you've lost all the standard boxes. So you've got a box on the back, you've got your centre box, and then your centre cat. So I'll have probably lost maybe another 30 kilogram there on a realistic term. So just with the seats and the standard exhaust system gone, well, the standard boxes and stuff, we've already saved what, 60 kilogram there. So then when you start taking into equation the rear bench and all the backs of metal, you've probably got another 15 kilogram there. The bottoms are like foam, 5 kilogram. So you're talking 90, 100 kilogram. Take away the spare wheel and the tools, talking maybe 120. So it all starts adding up. When we take away the door cards, the back speakers, because I won't need them, I'll still keep the front speakers in, just so I've got a bit of music to listen to. I've also worked out with these new wheels that I'm getting and tyres. So the old ones, the 19-inch Ronald wheels, the VXR wheels, with tyres, they worked out about 19.5 kilogram. I think these new ones are about 17 each on kilogram. So it works out probably about 10 kilogram all round, and that couple of gram per each wheel, it'll make a massive difference on that unsprung weight when I'm taking it into a corner. So that's a big saving right there, because obviously with the lateral G-forces, big word for me there, it will make a massive difference, as I say, when turning.
What word again?
Lateral. But yeah, so I'll see a big difference there. Obviously we'll get into all that once the wheels come, because they're still out here, but I'm on a promise that they are going to be here in the next day or two. So hopefully we'll be doing a video on that. but for the time being we're going to be stripping the door cards, the glove box, the seats, the carpet, which I didn't mention. I'll probably save another 15 kilograms there because they are quite thick carpets in these. I'll probably get rid of the armrests. That's probably another 5 kilograms. As I say, every little helps. Any little plastics are out like that. All engine plastics, I'm not even gonna put them on. I'm gonna leave them off. It's gonna be a race car. It's not for sure. Obviously, it's gonna have the race car looks about it, so it's gonna look good anyway. You know, it's definitely gonna be a night turner out. Our mini track vectraCs. Do you see about? You don't see many. So yeah, let's get pulling this apart and we'll see if Kim can learn a thing or two when pulling a car apart.
Right, so first thing we're going to take out is this bit and the wheel that's underneath.
Chunky beat.
Right guys, so we've taken all the back out now, as you can see, and we've got all behind me. All what's left really on back is the back seats, and we'll be taking seat belts out once we've got the seats out. But yeah, it's pretty much all of it out now. Did have a few problems with some of the smaller bolts, but we got there in the end. So yeah, on to the next bit.
Chunky beat.
So that's where my ratchet went. Hey! I'm not even kidding. I've been looking for this for about a year and a half. I actually went out and replaced it for another one. And a spoon. So all we need to do is take all these seats out now, and I am absolutely
Chunky beat.
today. We've got all bolts out back of there and these should just slip forward. And then we got that one out, and then we came along this one, which is all threaded. I've tried obviously going for a bigger size, smacking that in, and it's just not having none of it. So I've had enough today. I've really had enough today. This hasn't been like a couple hour job, it's been all day. All we've got to do is that seat can come out, but this ain't gonna. We've still got to get the airbag module out from under the seats as well. Door cards have got to come off. Carpet's got to come out, and that's probably about it, along with armrest. And then we'll be done. Yeah.
It is what it is.
Is what it is.
So we'll see you in next video, part 2. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press that bell icon so you're notified when it next comes on.
See you later.